Assalamualaikum. I am Widi Mutakin from Expos Academy. There are many projects and exercises in this course. The two major projects are creating an illustration of a deep sea diver and a digital painting of a cowboy cactus. You often see this illustration style in a lot of children's storybooks. Essentially, this illustration utilizes patterns and textures to define the shapes of objects. The style of the second project is quite different. In this project, we will use a painterly style approach. Since both of these projects involve a lot of advanced techniques, before you get into the projects, of course, you will first learn the basic concepts and master all the techniques required step by step. As a macro overview, I divided this online course into 8 chapters apart from the introduction chapter. In the first chapter, you will learn about various transformation and distortion techniques, such as perspective, warp, cage, liquify, mesh, and so on. Then, in Chapter 2, you will learn advanced layer features, namely layer style, clone layer, file layer, and fill layer. Next, in Chapter 3, you will learn various techniques related to patterns and textures. You will use various pattern generators such as multigrade, screen tone, SCXper, and so on. Then, learn to create seamless repeating images using the wraparound mode. Then, in Chapter 4, we will discuss photobashing techniques. Basically, they are techniques of utilizing photos or external images to speed up the illustration creation process. Chapter 5 will be our first big project chapter. Here, you will learn to create an illustration of a deep sea diver looking for treasures. Inshallah, you will master all the process in detail from A to Z. In Chapter 6, you will learn the ins and outs of the brush system in Krita, from the types of brush engines, sensors, to how to create your own brush presets and brush tips. With this, you will be able to create unique brush presets, such as creating sea plants or anemones on the fly, drawing a rope in a single stroke, producing a grass field in a matter of seconds using plants that you design yourself, and so on. In Chapter 7, you will learn painterly style drawing techniques, or in other words, digital illustrations that look like they were created with a real brush. In this chapter, you will also learn various cheating techniques. These are techniques that can help you create illustrations even faster. In Chapter 8, or the last chapter, you will utilize everything you have learned from the previous chapters to create a cowboy cactus illustration. The main challenge of this project is to create a painterly style illustration as quickly as possible, but also be as flexible as possible, so that it is still easy if we have to make revisions to the drawing in the future. Before you decide to join this course, I need to remind you that this course is not designed for complete beginners who have never used Krita before. The curriculum in this course is designed as the continuation of the basic level course and intermediate level course, which I have released before. So, just to be safe, I recommend that you take the basic and intermediate courses first before taking this one. I hope this course can be beneficial for you. Wassalamualaikum.